Hey guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little quick update right now of what's been going on and what I'm gonna be doing pretty soon.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, Josh bringing you another quick video for you guys today. I just want to let you guys know what's been going on throughout my whole entire time right now. As of now, I don't know what's going on right now between me and my wife right now because she did cheated on me a couple times. I lost my trust in her completely, and I don't really feel the same way about her anymore. Um, so I want to give you guys that kind of an update, but I want to let you guys know what's been going on right now. I went to a new site that has bunches of stuff that's cheap right now, and I got me a couple of things for my birthday. They kind of arrived a little bit late, but I'm not going to worry about it. I mean, I'll worry about today, and today's Sunday, the 19th, and basically it's like 9 days late, but I'm not going to worry about that. So I wanted to show you guys what I've ordered. So basically, I ordered me some new headphones for my phone right here. I test these out. I sonic them with my with that right there with my phone, and they work fine. They sound great, and I just charged them up, so I'm real happy with that. And I decided to go ahead and order this right here, the little speaker right here. I got like a multicolored speaker right here. I thought that was pretty cool. And this cost about like $5. And I got me a new phone case, which is actually on my phone right now. You guys can't see it, but you probably will. I'll probably show you guys sometime later on in the future. And also, I ordered this. This is my favorite cup I've ever seen. This is the shifter from Fast and Furious. I thought this right here was cool. Only cost about like $13. So basically, altogether for this four things cost about $33. I'm not going to worry about it. Trimu, I think that's what it's called. Hopefully I'm not complaining about that name, or butchering the name. I hope I am saying the name right. So yeah, I ordered those right there, and I'm going to be doing some more stuff into the man cave right now. I got a desk in mind because I sold my old desk, and also I sold my toolbox, and I don't really have anything to put all my tools in, and basically the room's still a mess. But I've been setting some stuff up, and if we actually kind of look, and if I open up the cave, I've been straightening up a lot in here. Like, I still got to set this stuff up a little bit right here. I want to move all of these down there. I want to put all my cars up there. I got some cars I want to put up there. Now, as for the desk, however, I want the desk somewhere that's not going to be in the way. It's going to be perfect. So what I'm kind of thinking about putting it in this corner right here. Taking this stuff down right here, having it in this corner, having my Dremel tools right there, having all that right there. That way I can just work right over here. That way I'll be done. I don't have to worry about it, and I can still set up my 3D printer and get that stuff printed. I want to get that done. I've been putting that off lately, and I'm getting a little tired of having paying all my bills and getting them all. Plus, I gotta get this thing here done. That's my 1-on-1 scale model of the Proton Pack, which basically, I got a Proton Pack, but that's 80% scale from, Spirit Halloween, and I done my own little thing on it, and basically I gotta get that done because I'm building the game version. So yeah, that's what I'm building. I do got this stuff here set up. I can't remember if I showed you guys that in the last video, but yeah, I got that in there pretty much. I got that pretty much set up. But on my spare time, I've been playing some of Resident Evil. I got 2 games. I got Resident Evil 3, which I already played and beat. So I'm very happy with that. And now I'm working on Resident Evil 4. And then I'm going to be playing Resident Evil 5, which I'm actually watching a video of it right now. Because I can't remember, because I played it so long ago. I played it on the Xbox 360. I had it for the Xbox 360, and then I bought it. I think it was about not 20 years ago, probably about like 19 years ago. Oh no, wait a minute. I probably got it in 2009, and I probably, or 2008 or something like that. I can't remember. But basically that's about 13 years ago probably. So it's been so long since I played it. And so I kind of want to if I play all of them and beat all of them, I'd be a happy camper. Then that's one thing off my bucket list. So as I'm done after I'm done playing that, I'm going to finish, probably get some, I gotta get 6, 5, the other Resident Evil games that they're out there. So right after I get my desk and get a new toolbox, which I don't know how I'm going to do that, or I might just get a tool cart. I might just do that. I might just get a tool cart, put all my tools on the tool cart, be done, don't have to worry about it. So yeah, I might just do that. I might just get a tool cart. So, hope you guys liked the video, and I will resume making more videos pretty soon. As for my dating life, I tried online. I am done with the online dating. I'm just done. Because there's too many scam artists. I had like 15 people wanted me to either send them money or give them my information or whatever, and I told them no, I'm not doing it. They keep trying to pressure me. I told them no, I'm not going to do that, and I block them and I stop talking to them. And then, heck, I even had this one person that's like a fatal attraction, and she tried to... Yeah, it's been a mess right now. So, yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to hit that like button and follow me for more information, and also support the channel. And once I get everything pretty much done, I'm getting that room pretty much straightened up, and I will film for it. Also wanted to let you guys know that I've been planning on doing a build up project. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and I think I know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to make a electric car bicycle that's electric. I don't have to worry about pedals. I don't have to worry about anything. I can just drive it, like get some go-kart parts, PVC pipe, and you probably know what the PVC pipe is for the frame. So yeah, I'm thinking about building a PVC pipe car, so that might be a series going to be coming up, and who knows, maybe I'll make it to the Ecto 1. Who knows? So maybe I will do that. Maybe I'll make that into the Ecto 1, that way I can just make it like that, I guess, and put like a windshield on it, all that stuff. But yeah, I think that would be cool to do. So I might do that later on in the future. Probably do the frame first, then build the other stuff. But I might as well go ahead and end this video. This video is getting real long. So if you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe. I can't wait to make more videos for you guys. See you guys next time, take care and stay safe.